Here I have DOOGEE V30, and today I'm going to show you how to transfer files from internal storage to SD card on this device. So firstly you should open files, then you should go to, from these categories you can select if you want to transfer downloads, images, videos, audios, documents or apps. So let's transfer some images. So to select it, you just have to hold down your finger on it. To select multiple images, you can just tap on them once. So when you got selection, tap here on three dots, select if you want to move or if you want to copy these items. So let's copy, then select where to, in our case to SD card, then select to which folder, could be pictures, copy here, and now you have these images here on your SD card. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.